Hello, everybody. This is Jeff Brown. I'm the Pro Bono Manager at the State Bar of Wisconsin. And I wanted to talk to you today about one of our new member benefits. It's the new State Bar Pro Bono portal that we partnered with a company called Paladin to make available to you to help you find pro bono opportunities that fit your interests and that make it easier for you to connect with legal services organizations that need volunteers like you. So I want to start just quickly to tell you why we created this, and then I'll give you a quick tour of the new Pro Bono portal. So this is a response to a longer term need as well as a shorter term, we hope, crisis. So the longer term issue that we're dealing with is a lack of funding and support for our legal services organizations to provide basic legal help to low income Wisconsin residents. You've probably all heard of the Justice Gap, and you're maybe familiar with the civil legal needs study that the State Bar did to sort of describe the scope of that problem. Well, we're making strides in closing that gap. Volunteers are a key part of that, but we also need a vibrant and well-resourced staff legal services community to provide the more intensive and specialized services that individuals need in Wisconsin. So with that as background, that's sort of the groups that we are trying to help with this new portal are legal services organizations and their volunteer components. So they have staff who serve clients, but they also need volunteers to extend their reach, help them address specialized areas, assist clients in areas of the state where they may cover that area, but they may not have staff located there. So they're dependent on volunteers like you. And so we're trying to help them reach additional volunteers. The pandemic, the shorter term, we hope, issue, although it probably seems like quite a long time now. The shorter term issue is, with fewer bar meetings happening in person, fewer in-person interactions, fewer groups events where you can do outreach and education with lawyers and recruit additional volunteers and provide training and that sort of thing in person, more and more of that has shifted online. So you may see more emails, you may see more advertisements on Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn. There are lots of different ways that organizations are trying to reach out to find, connect with you, and make you aware of the services they provide, the volunteer opportunities that they have. And we wanted to make that a little more coordinated, a little more centralized, so that there's just one place you need to go to find these opportunities and connect with these organizations. So we partnered with a company, a legal services tech company called Paladin, to launch a new State Bar Pro Bono portal that brings all of that together. It allows you as a volunteer to search, browse for opportunities that fit your interests and your availability. And then it allows legal services organizations to post specific opportunities, say for a particular client, or general opportunities that they have that may be ongoing. They can also post clinic opportunities, so you can sign up for clinic slots, clinic times, learn more, and it's all accessible to you on your computer, your smartphone, your tablet, wherever you are at any time of the day. Yeah, so I'm going to do a quick screen share here and show you what that looks like if you go to the new Pro Bono portal, which I'm just going to mention a couple of different ways you can reach it. From the State Bar's website, if you go to Pro Bono in the navigation, so for members, Pro Bono, that'll take you, if you click on Pro Bono, that will take you to a landing page that will direct you to the portal. You can also go directly to it by putting probonowi.org into your browser. That will also take you directly to the portal. So a couple of ways to get there. You can also just search in the search function on wisbar.org. If you don't remember or you prefer using the search function, Pro Bono portal should also lead you to the right location. So lots of ways to get there. And here is what it looks like. So when you land, what you see is a responsive design that's clearly identified as the State Bar of Wisconsin's pro bono portal. And our partner Paladin provides this on a subscription basis for us. So this is targeted at attorneys and allowing you to quickly narrow your search to the kinds of opportunities that fit your interests, fit your availability. So we've got some basics here for if you, these are some high demand areas and some high interest areas now that lawyers may be looking for. So we put those right up front in these tiles that will show up on your screen. They may show up a little differently depending on whether you are on a tablet or a phone or on a desktop monitor. But the basic layout is similar. If you're new to pro bono, say you're a new lawyer or a law student wanting to learn more about pro bono, you can start here and get sort of a background on, the rules, why you should do it, some sort of questions to ask before you get involved with pro bono. We've got some information about that here that you can go through and just sort of make sure you've got some of the basic understanding about how this works and what you should be doing to get involved or thinking about as you're getting involved. But let's say you come to the portal and you want to find an opportunity. The easiest way to do that is to think about who do you want to help or how do you want to help? Is there a particular area you're interested in? Are you interested in bankruptcy? Well, then if you're interested in helping people who have consumer issues, there are a variety of programs available to you to assist individuals with bankruptcy issues. And these are going to be all over the state. So here we have examples, online legal clinics. So this is remote assistance. We have bankruptcy issues with legal action in Wisconsin. This could be anywhere in southern Wisconsin. And then down here at the bottom, we have bankruptcy opportunities, consumer opportunities with Wisconsin Judicare in the northern part of the state. So wherever you are, we have opportunities for you on the pro bono portal. So you can search if you see these titles, these types of areas, these topical areas of law. If they're listed there, that means we have opportunities there. So what shows here is what's posted to the site now. This can change. So if additional areas are added, let's say we didn't have immigration and tomorrow someone posted an immigration opportunity, you might not see immigration today, but tomorrow when you come to the site, you'll see immigration as an option because there's an immigration opportunity there. Same with these other areas. We have more areas than you see here, but these are the areas that we have available from our legal services partners right now. Who do you want to help? Are there particular groups of clients that you want to work with? Do you want to work with people who are entrepreneurs? Do you want to work with people who are immigrants or refugees? Do you want to work with people who are with disabilities? Or are you, primarily interested in helping people who are working or unemployed, have employment-related issues? How much time do you have? Do you need something that's a fixed time commitment, like a pre-scheduled clinic? Are you a litigator? Do you want to focus on litigation opportunities? Are you a transactional lawyer? Do you want to focus on transactional issues? So we're going to work on building more of these kinds of opportunities into the kinds of opportunities that our partners are posting. But this will give you a good idea of what's available if you kind of click around and explore and then get in touch with one of the opportunities. So let's take a quick look at one of these opportunities. I'm just going to pick employment and take a little slightly deeper dive into one of the unemployment opportunities. So we've got some different opportunities here. This happens to be a specific opportunity that's happening on a specific date at a specific time. So if you're free on that day and want to take on a sort of a fixed time commitment opportunity, then you can take a look at it, get a little more information. There's a short description, which is generic enough that the posting organization isn't disclosing client confidences, but is giving you some basic information about what this opportunity is and who you'd be working with. So in this case, you'd be working with someone who's in the teaching profession who has an unemployment issue. They have an unemployment hearing scheduled in December. Um, who you're working with, this one is available from Legal Action of Wisconsin. There'll be more opportunities like this listed below to express interest. And I'm not going to do that because I don't want to. Uh, so I just did it anyway. But if I'm logged in, so it's a little different. But if if you're not an administrator like me and you're not logged in, if you express interest in an opportunity, what pops up is a little fillable form on your screen that asks you to put in your name and your bar number. So when you click the express interest after that, you'll be connected by email with the posting organization. So you'll get an email confirming that you expressed interest in this particular opportunity, and the organization will get an email saying that you, the attorney, expressed interest in their opportunity. And then you two can connect outside of the portal by email. You'll each be able to contact one another at that point and connect further to find out more information for conflicts checking, getting more background on what this matter is about. And the this portal is designed to make all of that easier for you to do. So that's what we're aiming for. That's why we're working with Paladin on this. And I hope you really find it useful and helpful. If you have any suggestions for how we could make this better for you, we're happy to talk to you and to explore with Paladin adding additional features that would make it easier for you to find the pro bono opportunities that fit your interests and your availability. So thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out the portal. I really appreciate all the volunteer work that you're doing to help people in need in Wisconsin. You are a vital part of the civil legal aid delivery system in Wisconsin, and we want to make it easier for you to do more good work for the people of Wisconsin. Thank you so much.